Guys, now next practice video is about the indirect. And for example, you have some tables about the January, February, and the March. Yes, in January we have the tables about Leroy, Raymond, and also additionally we write salary or budget. Doesn't matter. Okay, and also look at this. All table structures are same. Yes, structures are same. Look at this. But what's the differences? Names are difference. Salary is difference, and also the name of the sheets are different. Yes, and also in show table, I don't want to look to them. Yes, I don't want. But how can I you know what I need? I want to write to the here, for example, name of the month. For example, I will write months and I will write to the here. I will select, if you remember that also we learned this, and I will do it there, and I will do it. Okay, I will do it white. Now what will I do, guys? uh, Also I will use data validation, if you remember that. Now I will say I will use list, and which I was in January. Okay, comma, second February, comma, March. Okay. So when I click there, no, sorry guys, I I must use without comma. Okay, I remove code, then I will press OK. Now guys, February, it must be same as these cheat names, guys, so that's why be careful about it. Okay guys, what's next, guys? And also I will change the color of it. Then guys, look at this. I will select January, February, or March. Yes, they're same. Now guys, what I need, if I select January, I want to see this table information inside the here. Okay, and also if I select February, it will apply to the here. March, it will take all the information from there. It must add to the here. Okay, but how can I do that? Also I will show you. The first of all, guys, also we can do it with using VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is also easy, but the best function is indirect function now, but also we will use complex functions. Okay, we will use weight functions, wait, indirect functions, and also we will use row functions and column functions, and also address functions. Also guys, they're simple functions, guys, but we will use them together, and after that we will make complex. Okay, how can I do that? First of all, why we need row? It will return back, it will give me what, the reference number. Okay, well, look at this. If I write row to the here, what will happen? Will give me the row number of this cell. Yes. If I write column, it will give me back the column number, second column, second row. Yes. Okay. What's the address? If I write address function, and if I write 2 comma 2, what will happen? It will give me back the reference number of the that cell. Yes, and also if you remember that we learn indirect data, indirect function. Why we need it? Okay, I will write word reference text. Now I will write comma. I will write today, for example, January. Okay, January, and after that we must use the this sign, and I will say that return me back what, for example, b2. What it will be, it will go to the January sheet, and it will take the b2, and it will take it, and it will paste to there. No, it will paste to the here, sorry. I will copy paste it here. Okay. Now guys, I think you understand the function. Now I will copy this. I will paste it here. Alice. Okay guys, you understand? This one. Okay, I think you understand. Now if I do that, it will be a problem. Yes. But how can I apply to the all? I cannot write to the all by manual. It will be a problem. Now I will use them. Okay guys, now what will I do? I will write complex formula guys. Watch carefully. Now I will say that, comma, indirect. Pay attention guys. Watch carefully. Now I will say that this one, okay, I will use, I will do it, I must use dollar sign. Okay, do you remember this? Why we need this? Because I don't want to change it, okay? It will, uh, if I do that, if I copy to the other place, it will not change this value. And I will say that, and it will join the text. If you have a lot of text, you can use this sign for join together. And I will say that what this sign, okay, join, okay, this one, it will join three texts. This, and what? Address, okay, rows, okay, comma, column, this one and this one, enter. Yes, I think guys, I assume that you confuse this function. Why it's not difficult, it's very complex. And if you remember that we learned when we learn indirect function, how can we use it? If I write January, yes, and this one I will write A1 or what B2, B2. If I press enter, what will happen? It will also return back the Alice. Why? It will go to the January table. It will take B2 value. But it's the same thing, guys. Look at this. For example, January. Yes, it will take January from the here. Look at this. G1. And it will join this special sign. Okay, look at this. There are three texts. January, this sign, and B2. Yes. Now, also look at this here. Address, this sign, and after that address, okay, B2. What I want to get the reference of this cell, address, row, and the column, 2 and 2. What it gives me back? B2. Then it will give me Alice. Okay guys, I hope that you understand. Now I will click to here and do it like that. And also you can do so. Look at this guys. Perfect. Now I will select them. I will do it currency. Okay. I will do it like that. Perfect. Guys, now, wait. Perfect. Now guys, look at it. If I select not January or February, it will change automatically. It will take this information from where? G1. G1 is February. It will go to the February. It will take this information. Okay. If I select this, if I select March, also it will change. February, March, January. Okay, they are different, guys. Okay, I hope that guys you understand this. And if you didn't understand, guys, watch again, watch again. For example, for this function, I read, not it, I also watched this from my friend's video. So I think 3 times I watched this video, and now guys, also I forget it. I watch it again. I repeat it. Also I use it. It's very difficult function, complex function, and I hope that you understand. If you don't understand, okay, write below, or you can directly you can write to my WhatsApp or Facebook or some messenger. Where do you want? You can write, and I will reply it. Okay, guys. This is the second practical part.